Well, I know for us at FTP Movement, we were doing the non-glorious work when it wasn't accessible to be seen, right? So most of our greatest work isn't even documented on pictures or film. And some of the pictures we got are, by the cameras that hold the film, you know what I'm saying? Not even with a digital camera. So some of our older documentation is so fuzzy and blurry. Really, the only thing we have is our memory in terms of doing it. Some of our most sacred work, like having a personal relationship with Dr. Matulum Shakur Ibaye, so much of that wasn't seen. Like, how do you present that on social media? I don't even know if you can. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know if you can communicate the magnitude of importance that relationships with folks like Leonard Peltier, Yogi Pinnell Ibaye, Sundiata Acoli, just so many, most of that work is not glorious. The times we were up at night, up under the bridge, it wasn't sexy, it wasn't cute. You know what I'm saying? We were down there looking wild and crazy ourselves because we were younger and we were more renegade than. I guess I'm dead. Let me see you. We were more renegade than we are now. We kind of choose our movements wisely and a little bit more smarter. A little bit more smarter with how we are moving because, we don't want to make ourselves a target. And for us, a lot of times putting that documentation out there, we had to do that calculating. We had to be really careful because we're like, we bringing attention to ourselves, and we started to have problems. When we tried to get with a lot of the social media movement, we started to have some issues. Them folks was out there waiting for us, to cause a problem. There's a couple of pictures of Kalonji going back and forth with the Atlanta ambassadors, that are online. And we just have to be really, really diligent about the communication that we put out there about what we're doing, because we don't want the focus to be on us. We want the focus to be on the work. So being that we're older also, we're not really fazed by social media, because the way you got your clout back in the day was doing the work. So social media hasn't really phased us. It has grown, made us more out there. People are knowledgeable about what we're doing and what we have going on. But if there was no social media and the internet crashed today, we'd still be out there. So that's the only thing that social media, in my mind, has done for us. And it has connected us with other like-minded people around the globe, and that's dope. But in terms of the work being done in our city, it doesn't matter if there's a camera out there. It doesn't matter if it's 2 people out there. If it's just me and Kalonji out there, we're gonna be out there. So social media does not solidify or validate what you're doing.